Am I the only one who didn't know that ChatGPT can boost your bank account? Well, let's dive in. ChatGPT isn't just for fun conversations. Entrepreneurs are using it to create cash flow. Imagine writing ebooks, generating blog content, or even automating customer service. That's right, ChatGPT can handle it. You can draft compelling stories or informational guides in no time, publish them online, and enjoy passive income. High-quality content drives traffic to your site. More traffic means more ad revenue and sales. ChatGPT can help you churn out articles effortlessly. And don't forget customer service. Implement it to handle FAQs or basic inquiries, freeing up your time for more critical tasks. The potential is vast, but you've got to act. Subscribe, like, and comment below. Click the link in the description for more info. Don't miss out on unlocking your earnings with ChatGPT.